Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to contact Facebook support. So first of all, just go ahead and click on your avatar icon at the top right and then switch to your page account. So basically, after you switch to your page account, what you're going to do, you're going to see right here on your left, like the tools and everything. Click to see more. Let me close this one. Click to see more. Scroll a little bit down and you're going to see Meta Business Suite or Suite. Just go ahead and click on it. And basically, what you're going to do, you're gonna see right here, this is like my page, my page, how can I say, Meta Business. So as you can see, you will see right here all of your reels and posts and articles and stories appearing to you right here. Now what we're gonna do, you're gonna see right here in the content section, this is your content and everything, right? If you want to see the schedule, draft and everything, you're gonna see all of the things so you can confirm that you are in the page account. So basically, if you are not in your page account, you're gonna just click right here on your name at the top left and then switch to your page right here on the Meta. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click help, and you're gonna see a 3-option window. Click the first option, the help, and it's gonna direct you to the Facebook help. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, let me just close this one, and I'm gonna just go ahead, let me just close this article, sorry, not articles but setting. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click hub, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna see right here the options. I'm gonna scroll a little bit down to contacting support, and basically I'm gonna just say I have other issue, right? And I'm gonna just select my page, right, page account, and basically select the issue that you are currently facing, right? And maybe I'm gonna just go ahead and say something like I have an issue with the right manager, right? The rights of the manager, sorry. Scroll a little bit down and read the article, right? And if that didn't help, or if that is not your problem, just go ahead and click on it and just go ahead and say other issues. You can't explain it. Just go ahead and select the issue exactly, right? And I'm gonna just see right here, I want to submit appeal because my page was demonetized, or I want to appeal something, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here. Let's have example, this one. Scroll a little bit down, 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 and you will be able to see like an option to contact Facebook help and support. So I'm gonna just click right here, other issue, and select the issue, and just I want to, like, maybe for example I want to change I'm gonna just select something to, sorry, let me say for example, and click this one and scroll a little bit down, read the article and everything. And if you want to need more help, you're gonna see a button called contact support. Just go ahead and click on it. Basically enter your the issue, and if you want them to email you or call you, it says right here chat and call is not available, so you are stuck with the email. And then add the issue in the link page or of your profile and everything, and add the screenshot and video to support your issue. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.